Hi and welcome back to the channel. Now in this video I'm going to do a bit of a product review. So Retro Components sent me this little box here. So basically what is in this box is a mobile phone holder and a USB charging point which has been designed for the Mk1 Mini. So as well as the Mk1 Mini, so basically what this will be is for any Mini which doesn't have the top dash rail fitted, so it's the padded top dash rail that you'll see in the later Minis. So this is designed for any Mini which has the ashtray mounted on top of the dash rail, which doesn't have any padding, so your Mark 1s, Mark 2s, early Mark 3s, mini pickups, mini vans and so on. So basically anything which doesn't have the top dash rail, or even if you remove the top dash rail from your Mini, this will actually go in its place as well. So what it is, I'll bring the camera over, we'll do a little bit of an unboxing to see what exactly this is, and yeah, we will see what it's like, and then we'll fit it to the car and see how easy that process is as well. Okay, so let's see what they've sent us. So, nicely packaged this little box. Okay, okay, so here's our mount. So they say it's made from 3mm powder coated steel with this inbuilt is it a 5V 2A USB. It has this little clamp underneath it here, and it's all held together with was that an 8mm, 7 or 8mm with a stainless steel bolt. So obviously that just goes up and we'll then clamp it to the underside of the dash rail. Yeah, so we have a threaded. Oh, so yeah, so this loosens it out here. So then obviously you can rotate your phone to whatever angle that you need it, and then lock it off. And yeah, and then that. Yeah, I've seen these before, something similar. So you have a little extender there, so depending on whatever phone that you have, that you can extend it out so that you can get in and out, and it'll make work for different size phones. Maybe I just get a tape measure, maybe I can measure here at the minute. So it is currently closed, it is 2¼ inches, so it's at just shy of 60mm. And fully extended, we're coming up to, what's that, 80mm, 3 inches. So yeah, so I think that would do quite a good range of phones as well. So also in the box is the wiring as well, so your positive and your earth. I think I mentioned it was about 1 meter of length, plus it has you have your 2 terminals then for the wiring there as well. So yes, that'll come in useful when fitting it to the car. So next thing we'll do, we will go over into the car, and yeah, we'll just go through the process of fitting this. Okay, so first thing we need to do is get the ashtray out. So basically, depending on the ashtray, this is an aftermarket one, so there may or may not be little squeezy things on the side here. So just to squeeze them in and pop it out. Some may or may not have that. So I've had this in and out a couple of times in the dash. This is quite easy to pop out. You may need a wee bit more brute force thickness to get yours out. So yeah, pop that out. So next thing to do will be to slot this in its place. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to swap out the stainless steel bolt for a black Allen key head. Just when that's sitting up on the top of the dash, you not see any stainless steel or anything there, and it'll blend in with the black top that I already have on the car, the black vinyl. So I'm going to use this Allen key head. So yes, that slots in there, just now damaging the USB. So what it does on the cars, the way that the panel is folded around, there's a little lip. So basically what that does, it'll slot into the little slot that is cut into the bracket there as well. So that'll help to hold it all in place. I just the dash rail is messing about from me here. There we go, that's that on there. And that slots into place there. Yeah, just run this up by hand. Allen key, just tighten this up. actually, you hardly even notice it was there, except for the little bit of the white tongue from the USB is the only thing that you really see there. So yeah, that's so easy fitted, and it is a bit of a nice replacement for the ashtray, considering I don't smoke and nobody's ever going to smoke in this car, so having the ashtray is kind of not really needed. It's only there because it was filling the hole and it's original. So yeah, let's just take you off the camera, off the tripod, and bring it a bit closer. So yeah, you can see here using the black Allen key actually just helps it to blend in, and like I said, all you can see is a little white tongue from the USB port in there as well. And here you have the little extending section for putting your phone in, and then it's easy done, like just a matter of just listening, and we can turn a portrait and so on, or just get it whatever way we want. If the passenger needs to use the phone for any reason or whatever, so yeah, and then we can just tighten it up again. So yeah, so I'll swap over to the action camera and then we'll see what it looks like with the phone fitted. Now, fitting your phone couldn't be any easier. It's just a matter of extending the little mouth and slotting the phone into place. So there we have it into our portrait mode. We want to use the maps or whatever, it's only a matter of just rotating, and there we have, we can use your sat navs and so on. If you had a car show or something out there and it's raining, or you're having your lunch, we can stick up your favorite YouTube channel up there as well. But of course, don't be watching YouTube when you're driving, and obviously be careful when you're using your sat nav. So yeah, so that's that fitted. It's very, very easy done, and yeah, very happy with it too so far. So there you have it. That's the Retro Components Mk1 ashtray replacement to give you your phone holder and USB charging point. Now, Retro Components were very kind to send me the phone holder to review and to fit and to see what we think of it. Like I said, it's a nicely weighed piece of kit. It's very, very easy fitted. You saw there was only a couple of minutes to fit it. Now, you didn't see me do the wiring. Now, I haven't wired the USB up as yet. I have some other wiring jobs that I want to do on the dashboard, so that'll come at a later date once I get all of the wiring that I want to do on the dash completed. But for the minute, it's perfect what I need at the minute. I've got my phone holder, my sat nav, and so on. And yeah, it'll be well used. So I'd like to thank Retro Components again for sending me a sample to try out. Now, they are available on pre-order on their website. I'll put a link in the description below, and if I can, I'll put a link up on the screen here for you as well. I think the price is £30 or £31 each. And yeah, I think they're very well worth trying them out yourselves. So head over to their website. They have other products on there as well. They also do an ashtray type for the top dash rails, so for the later cars, so they're available there as well as I think they have digital clocks and so on as well. So yeah, thanks very much for watching again. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe. It always helps to get subscriptions coming in. It shows that I'm doing something that you want to watch. And yeah, drop me a comment down below, and yeah, we hopefully will see you on the next one. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.